Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable communications emails notifications on the Discord app for PC, following the latest 2025 update. If you want to stay in the loop with missed call and message alerts, enabling this setting is the way to go. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Discord app on your PC. Once you're inside, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and give it a click. Now that you're in the User Settings menu, look at the options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all your Discord notification preferences. Inside the notification settings, scroll down until you see the Email Notifications section. Here, Discord gives you control over the types of emails you receive. You'll notice several categories, but for this guide, focus on Communications Emails. This option covers important alerts like missed calls and messages, so you never miss a beat, even when you're away from the app. To enable Communications Emails, simply toggle the switch next to it so it turns on. That's it. You've now set Discord to send you communications-related email notifications, making sure you're always informed about what matters most. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, you can return to this menu and toggle the settings as needed. Remember, these email notification controls are only available on the desktop app or in your browser, not on the mobile app. And there you have it. You're now set up to receive communications emails from Discord, ensuring you stay connected with your friends and communities. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand with their Discord notifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.